How to set up Google Nest Thermostat. To turn off your heating and cooling system's master circuit breaker, you simply have to remove your old wall display, hook the colored wire to Nest the base, and complete the network setup inside the Google Home application. So go ahead and then remove the old faceplate and tag the wires. Mount the Nest base and connect wires. Once you do this, you simply have to turn it on and launch the app setup. Once you turn the device on, you simply have to now launch Google Home application on your mobile device or smartphone. Then tap the Devices tab by tapping on the plus icon on the top right corner and select the device option. Once you add the device, select the Google Nest or partner device and select your home profile location and tap Next. The application will open your phone's camera. Now you simply have to scan the unique QR code sticker printed on the back of the thermostat display faceplate. Then follow the on-screen wizard to input your local Wi-Fi network password and assign the thermostat to a structural room category. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.